Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit email templates in Gmail. If you find yourself typing the same messages over and over, templates can save you a ton of time by letting you reuse pre-written emails with just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and head to google.com. In the search bar, type Gmail and click on the first official link to take you directly to mail.google.com. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner and click on the gear icon. This is your gateway to all of Gmail's settings and customization options. When the menu appears, select See All Settings. This opens the full settings page where you can configure everything from inbox appearance to advanced features. Now, navigate to the Advanced tab at the top of the page. This is where Gmail hides some of its more powerful tools, including the templates feature we need. Scroll down until you find the templates section. You'll see a toggle option here. Go ahead and click Enable. This unlocks the ability to save and reuse email drafts as templates. Once you've enabled it, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial because without saving, the templates feature won't activate. Now it's time to create your first template. Click the Compose button to start a new email. Write out the full message you want to save as a template. This could be a welcome email, a follow-up message, or any response you send frequently. Once your email looks exactly how you want it, locate the three-dot menu at the bottom right of the Compose window. Click it, then hover over Templates, select Save Draft as Template, and finally click Save as New Template. Your template is now stored and ready to use. If you ever need to edit a template, simply compose a new draft with your updated content. Then follow the same process by clicking the three-dot menu, selecting Templates, and choosing whether to save it as a brand new template or overwrite an existing one. Whenever you need to use a saved template, just open a new email, click the three-dot menu again, go to Templates, and select the one you want. It'll instantly populate your draft with the saved content, letting you send professional, consistent emails in seconds. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.